In standardized interface, we can choose new patient. We can set the type of the patient, adult, pediatric, and late. And we can set male and feminine. And we can choose non-invasive and invasive. And we can set the height. Then we set the tidal volume, and according to the patient weight, and set the rate. Then we push the start ventilation. We can see this area for perimeter monitor area, the waveform monitor area, and the loops area. And this for adjust the interwitness model and adjust the data area. And this for function area. This monitor the pressure. This for tidal volume and milliliter volume. This for rate and IE ratio and the flow. And this one for oxygen concentration. This area for EtCO2 and this area for SpO2. Yeah. And you can see this waveform is pressure waveform. This for volume waveform and this flow waveform. This F flow and pressure loop. This F wave loop, the P wave loop. And we have 10 work model. You want to change the work model like this set model. We change the work model. Yeah. And we need to adjust the page like this. Use touch screen. Yeah. And sleep. All is okay. Confirm. Yeah. Into alarm setup, we can adjust the high limit and low limit of the pressure peak. Yeah, like this. Low and we can adjust the alarm of the peak. Minute volume, head volume, and the total rate, and the oxygen concentration, period time, and we can adjust the alarm of EtCO2. This for alarm of SpO2. This area we can choose, we can see have many alarm record, and we can choose next page. This button for 100% oxygen. Press this button, can adjust 100% oxygen concentration. Cancel back to 21%. Yes. This button for nebulizer, we can adjust the minute, the time, confirm. It's work. We cancel it. This button have some function. One is manual brace. See this waveform? Yeah, brace. Brace. Yeah, brace. Yeah, manual brace. Inspiratory holder. The expiratory holder. The mounting pressure 0.1. This button freezes the waveform. This area freezer. The lock button, we can lock the touch screen like this. Yeah. Come out work. Yeah. Unlock. It can work. Yeah. The menu update the trend of the date and graphic. We can choose if we want say keep or all the data saved in this area. We can choose like this. And the tabular, yeah. Just next page, yeah. Next page. The alarm loader. System setup, we can choose the interface. This one for low, we choose big font. And the all parameter, big loops. Yeah, change normal. This function we can choose light model, yeah, light, day mode, yeah. The pressure airway unit, like this, yeah. You can see the waveform, the unit change. This one, okay. This one, yeah. The pressure unit, you can see this shows. The waveform model, cool. That is for the scan. Different, yeah. This for height or IBW. In standby interface, we can see the function. This for according this data, calculate the tidal volume. We can choose 8 or other, yeah, different states. ETCL2 model. If we want the model work, either choose visual. If choose standby, then ETCL2 model cannot work. Visual. The ETCL2 unit and the Pioneer delay. This function we can choose the date, change the date, change the time. Then if we change this one, we need to confirm it can work. This for alarm delay and the backlight we can adjust. And this. The system information, we can set the software version, mainboard and monitor board, keyboard, software version, and the hardware information. This for resolution of the screen and the screen size and the machine operating hours. This one for adjust the alarm volume of the machine. Have a password. This for adjust the alarm volume. If the oxygen cell cannot work, we need to replace a new one. Take out 2 screws. Then take out the cable. Then this oxygen cell will replace a new one. Connect the cable. If we change a new oxygen sensor, we need to calibrate the oxygen cell. Press start. For oxygen calibrate, we need to connect the oxygen source.